Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got the Red Iguana Blooming Gel and Rosalind 2705, KADS 020, and Maniology Bam White. Here are my little nail tips from Temu and the Blooming Gel from Red Iguana. This is something that does have to be cured, as well as the Rosalind 2705 Blue Gel Polish. And I got my little detail brush out here. It's not the tiniest one, but it's, you know, it's like a little one. So I'm going to apply I wouldn't say generous layer or thin layer, just a regular layer of the Blooming Gel, trying to make sure that it's all smooth and fairly even. Give that a second while I get my other bottle out here. Got a little dab out on my little mat, and I'm going to just go in and start drawing kind of like a rose. It didn't end up looking like a rose in the end, really, but I'm going to stamp on it too, so it's going to be all good. I'm just playing today. I wanted to play with this. So I've got that light blue, kind of almost like periwinkle blue background on the nail, and then going in with that darker blue gel polish. I figured this would add some interest to this nail. And that stuff is blooming like a crazy thing. Alright, let's get another one and do it. These are so much fun just to watch them bloom and morph and change. You know, now I wouldn't want to do this every day, but occasionally this is good stuff, good fun. Good fun. I am liking it. By the way, after you apply the blooming gel, you don't cure it. You go in with your wet gel polish, you know, while it's still wet. You do this and then you cure them when you're done. When they're done blooming. You definitely want to give them a chance to do their bloomy action before you know, drop it in the lamp to cure. We're just going crazy on this. Crazy is good sometimes. Okay, we're going to cure those for 60 seconds. I'm going to wipe them off with some alcohol. Give them a little wipey wipe down. And my fingertips too, they needed it. And then I'm going to top them with some of the Model 1's glossy top coat. And I do all of them. And that little bump on the side, I'm going to take care of that when I file later. Yep. I don't know how that happened, but it did. It happens. Alright, blink, there we go, 60 seconds, we're done. This is KADS 020, and I was planning on using these images that I'm pointing out with my Bundle Monster Maniology Bam White and my little Maniology Scraper and Stamper, but at some point I ended up having to give up on one of the images. I was just having too much trouble with it, and instead of changing polishes or scrapers, I just changed images. Moving on is how I did it. So there we go. We're going to plop that image on top. Okay, got a little gap at the top. I'm just going to use some of this excess left over on the stamper. Just kind of tapping it in. Alright, got to clean that with some acetone. I'm going to pull just a little bit more because I didn't have enough left over. It's all good. We're good here. And fill in those areas. I probably could have left it alone and it'd have been fine. But the Ninny Emmy said, do it, girl, do it. Do it. Alright, that one is done. Gonna do another image over here. And I really do like this plate. I was really disgusted that I couldn't get the one image to do. I think it's the one right above this one in that corner. But corner images are tricky. They're just so tricky. Stamp it down. Ta-da! I'm going to go in and I'm adding just a little bit more to that corner. Just a little bit piece. And here we go. We're going to do it over there too. Ta-da! Use the leftovers. Don't let them go to waste. Alright. Oh, and this one's just beautiful. I love this one. This image is so cute. Look, I got stamping polish all over my thumbnail and everything. We're going to go in kind of diagonal with this one. Oh, so pretty. Yeah, I didn't show you me struggling with the one that I couldn't get to do, but just take my word for it. It was a corner image. I was having trouble, and I just decided to change my plan. And it all worked out just fine. It was meant to be, I suppose. I'm going to clean this plate up with some acetone real quick. What a smeared up mess I got going on. Thankfully, it's going to all clean up well. I do have some of the clear jelly stamper plate cleaner now. I didn't when I did this video, but we're going to give that a shot, and I'll let you all know what I think about it. Give that little matty matte a wipe down too. It needs some cleaning. And I'm going to go in over this one with some alcohol, and it's ready to get put away. I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat. That way I don't smear that design that I worked on getting there. Ta-da! And once that's dry, I'm going in with some Sèche Vite to finish this one off. Beautiful. Nice glossy top coat over everything. There it is. I'm going to use these little glue tabs to apply these to my fingernails. Sorry, the camera's bugging. Mush, mush, mush. Push it hard, push it hard. And there they are. I love how they turned out. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.